Hello there, this is Rahil from All About Affiliate Marketing, and in today's video we will talk about the affiliate program of Dub. So let me take you to the website, which is dub.co. What you want to know about them: Dub is a modern link management and attribution platform that helps businesses create branded short links, track conversions, manage analytics, and run affiliates and referral programs. It is widely used by SaaS companies, creators, and marketing teams to measure campaign performance and optimize partner-driven growth. So what are you waiting for? Come to the website, explore all about them, and see if you want to start utilizing them. You might want to click on pricing to see what they offer. In here, you can be Dub partner, or you could start using Dub links. If you click on Dub links, you could see all these plans, plus you got the free plan as well. See if they could be of any use to you. But that's not exactly why we are here. We are here to earn money from Dub. How do we do that? We simply join the affiliate program, start promoting them to our audience, to our traffic, and when we bring sales to them, we'll start getting commission from them. So affiliates from which company can join the affiliate program, and to the consumers of which country can they promote in order to receive commission? No restrictions found. So regardless of your location or the location of your consumers, you would still be able to receive commission so long as you bring valid sales to Dove. So let's learn more about their affiliate program. For that, once you're on their homepage, you can scroll down till the footer section. Over here, you can click on affiliates. It will take you to the affiliate program information page of Dove. Over here, you can see join the Dub affiliate program, share Dub with your audience, and for each subscription generated through your refer, you will earn a share of the revenue on your plans they purchase. That's great. And as you can see in rewards, you will get 30% per sale for 1 year. That means you brought one customer to them, and for the next 12 months, you're going to get 30% of whatever they'll pay to Dub. That's great. And if you scroll down, you can see a bit about them. There are some features available for you as an affiliate, and then the brand assets. You could click here to see the assets available as well. And then you got the earning calculator. Let's say you brought four customers to them, so you could earn as high as $360 per month. That's some generous commission amount. And if you scroll down, you can see frequently asked questions as well. You may explore this question for anything that isn't answered in this video already. Now let's say you've read it all and you want to join the affiliate program. For that, you simply click on apply today. It will take you on this registration form. You can start filling up the details in here. Now all the information I'm going to mention here, that will be dummy just for the educational purpose. In your case, ensure you write the information accurately per the best of your knowledge. So you can start typing your name in here. I'm going to write John Allen Yu. Email address, you can give the email address that you own so that you will receive any related email about your affiliate relation with that. And then the website. In case if you have a website where you intend to promote them, you can mention the website in here. But if you only have online presence, let's say on social media, you can mention your social media profile URL in here. So I'm going to mention my YouTube dummy URL in here. In your case, you can mention your social media profile or the website or blog URL in here. In case if you are planning to promote them on YouTube, LinkedIn, or Twitter, you can mention the handle here as well. So I'm going to mention the YouTube handle here. In your case, you can enter your handles as well. Then you have to write, why do you want to partner with Dub? So ensure you write good thing about you, about your business model. So this way, Dub would understand whether to approve you or to keep you in their affiliate network or not. So for me, I have mentioned some dummy text. Ensure you write something good about yourself or business model. How do you plan to promote Dub? That's also important, so you write it well too. Then you can click on Dub program terms, read it carefully, follow up that you can tick mark here, and then click on continue. It will process the details and you would see this information. Finish your application. Your application to Dub has been saved, but you still need to create your Dub partners account to complete your application. Once you create your account, your application will be submitted to Dub and you will hear back from them at the given email address. So it's important in case if you already have a Dub account of yourself, you can simply click on login to Dub partners. Otherwise, you can click on create your Dub partner account. When you do that, you can authenticate using the given email address, or you can click on continue with Google and complete the authentication via the Google account. And after completing the authentication, it will take you to the profile page. Over here, you can mention your name. I'm going to mention here as John Allen Yu once again. Now, these information I'm not giving for my affiliate account, but rather my partner profile with Dub. And then you can also update your profile image. You can write a bit about yourself. You can choose the profile tab. Is it company or is it individual? And then you simply click on continue. Then it will directly redirect you to this page within the application section of the app, and you would be able to see this application in review. You'll be notified by email when Dub has finished reviewing your applications. Here we're talking about your affiliate application. Since you have created your Dub partner profile and you have submitted your affiliate application to them, they'll see whether you're a good fit for them or not, and based on that they could approve you. It could take anywhere between a couple of days to a couple of weeks time, and once you have been approved, you'll be notified by an email. After getting approval, then what? Then you can start promoting them. But to promote them, you can't just take any link from their website. You have to use your tracking link for that. So how do you get your tracking link? First of all, let me take you to the homepage. So if you click here, you will be taken to partners.dub.co/programs. So you might want to bookmark this link so that if you ever want to log into your partner profile, you can directly come to this URL and log in. And once you're on the homepage, you simply click on program and you will be able to see Dub in here. You can click on Dub tile from here and then it will take you to the Dub application information page. And once here, if you look at the left hand side, you got the link section. You can click on link section and that's where you would be able to see your tracking link for Dub, which you can start utilizing to promote them to your audience, to your traffic. And if you want to reach out to them, you can write a message to them using the messages section. You also have an option to write an email to them at support@dub.co. So you learn how to apply it to their affiliate program, and once you got the approval, how to create tracking link. But the question arises, where can you promote them? There are many ways. Still, I'm gonna cover a few. One way is website or blog. Doesn't matter whatever kind of website or blog you got, so long as you got the approval from them, you can promote them anywhere on your website. Maybe homepage, maybe category page, whatever you feel like is more suited for your audience, for your traffic, you can start promoting them there. Then you got blog. On blog, you could write blog posts about Dub and slide in your tracking link with your blog post. So this way, when people would read, if they like it, they'll click on it, they subscribe to Dub, and you continue getting commission. Apart from it, you might want to focus on creating contents related to SaaS reviews, link management software comparison, or affiliate marketing tutorial on your website or blog. Then you got social media. On social media, you could use platforms like YouTube, LinkedIn, X, or Reddit, and in your content, ensure you share your tracking link. And you have a number of choices to create content type from. So that's up to you which content type and which platform you're using. Just ensure you're sharing your tracking link accordingly. Thereafter, you got software as a service website. Now, these kind of websites would be great here for brands like Dub because people do come to these kind of websites to learn about different softwares available out there. So if you have such a website available as an affiliate, and if you've gotten the approval from Dub's affiliate program team, you can start promoting them on that website of yours. Apart from it, the other kind of websites as well, which could be good in order to promote brands like Dub, you got digital marketing website, affiliate marketing website, and a startup and creator website. Again, it's up to you if you want to promote them on website, blog, or social media, and then you choose it accordingly. Now, promoting them is one thing, but there's a problem that most of the affiliates face, and that is bringing the right traffic. Because if you don't bring the right traffic to Dub, then you won't get the better conversion, meaning there won't be any sell, meaning there won't be any commission. So for you, I have covered top 3 traffic sources for Dub. The first one you got is YouTube. On YouTube, you might want to create videos related to SaaS tutorials or affiliate marketing guides, link tracking software reviews, and in those content of yours, you can talk about Dub. And then you share the link of Dub in your content, I mean the description or the comment section, and show you're sharing the tracking link or a link to your online presence. So this way you're getting the right traffic which are really interested in tools like Dub, which are highly likely to convert once they reach the Dub's website. Then you got the Google SEO. So ensure wherever you're creating the content, doesn't matter, be it social media, the website, or blog, you keep it Google SEO friendly. You might want to target keywords like URL shorteners, link management, analytics, and affiliate. This could increase your chances of getting the right traffic, which actually converts. Finally, you got LinkedIn and X or rather Twitter. On these platforms, you might want to target startup founders, marketers, SaaS creators, and affiliate marketing communities using or, of course, creating different content over there. On LinkedIn, maybe you might want to create posts, interesting or intuitive posts. Same goes for X as well. So these are some of the top traffic sources which could help you getting the right traffic towards your online presence or directly towards Stub using your tracking link, and this will result into better conversion and hence you getting better commission. Now let's say you started bringing sales to them, I mean the clicks and of course the sales. Where would you see your performance? For that you can come to the partner program page once again, and once you are on the Dub affiliate information page, you can click on the earnings, analytics, events and customer within insights, and you would be able to see your performance. Apart from it, if you look at the left hand side, you got this payout option. If you click on payout over here, you would be able to see your pending commission, processing commission, and the completed commission. You can click on connect payout method, and it will ask you to either connect your bank account or stablecoin account. So these are the payment method using which you can start receiving commission from Dub for all the sales you bring to them. Alright, so this is how you find the affiliate program of Dub. You apply to them, you get the approval, you start promoting them, start bringing sales to them, and start earning commission. But there is more to Dub than a brand out there. Through Dub, you can't just promote them. You can promote different brands available within Dub. So let me take you further in case if you're interested. For that, you can click on this partner profile icon from the left hand side, the third icon in line. And over here, you can start updating all these details. You can start by updating your basic information, website and social information about you and your expertise and how you work, preferred earning structure, sales channels, and save changes. Thereafter, you can click on submit application. So this option will only come if you've updated all these details. When you do that, you're basically submitting the application to be in the partner network. And let's say you have clicked on submit application, your application to the partner network team would go, they'll see whether you're suited for their bigger network or not. And assuming you get the approval, you'll be able to explore different brands available within DAP. And to see them, and assuming you've been approved by them, you simply click on the program section from here. And over here, if you click on marketplace, you would be able to see all the different brands. So we got the Beehive and then Whisperflow. You have an option to search by different categories. Let's say I'm looking for a brand within AI. So I'm going to click on AI. So these are all the brands available to me. I can click on Whisperflow and I can apply to them. But since I'm yet to apply for their marketplace, assuming if I would have gotten the approval, I would be able to apply to Whisperflow affiliate program through here directly. So this way, once you have received the approval from their partner team, you can apply to any of these different brands, and you can also start promoting them to receive commission, of course, on the sales you bring to them. Then you also got invitation section within program. So if you click on invitation, you will be able to see if there's any invite sent to you by any of the brand. You can simply accept it and you can start promoting them. So through the partner interface, you can't just promote them. You can promote any of the brand available with them. So that's the beauty of the network. And this brings us to the end of the video. I hope the video was helpful to you and helped you in learning all about the affiliate program of Dub. And as an affiliate, if you want to grow, if you want to learn better, there are some amazing resources that I have created for you. You'll be able to find in the video description. Simply click on any of the resources that you prefer. In the meantime, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel so that any video I create like this, you get notified for the same. Thanks for watching.